Cellulose wadding. This little wasp is luxuriating in what looks like cotton wool, but it isn't cotton wool, it's cellulose wadding. Cellulose wadding is paper. Its raw material is wood fiber. To make the wadding, virgin or recycled wood fiber is mixed with water, lots of water, water that is continuously recycled and reused. The pulp passes between a web and a felt. The water seeps through the web. The fibers attach to the felt and form a sheet. This sheet is pressed and dried by a cylinder known as a Yankee dryer. It is then dried further by hoods that blow very hot air. What happens next is the crucial stage during which the sheet is transformed into cellulose wadding, the creping stage. The sheet, which is plastered onto the cylinder, is crushed against the blade. It creases like crepe paper. This creping process forces air into the paper, giving it a downy appearance and causing it to soften and lengthen. It also adds thickness, despite the material's very low weight, which ranges from 10 grams per meter squared to 25 grams per meter squared. The cellulose wadding is then rolled up. The rolls are large and heavy. It is used to manufacture toilet paper, kitchen paper, handkerchiefs, etc. But that's another story. To find out more about cellulose wadding, contact us.